Hello everyone, this is Bella Bin. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy, very quick, very tasty stir-fry cucumber with shrimp recipe. The ingredients are shown on the photo as well as in the description below. First step, I cleaned the shrimp and I cleaned all the vegetables and the garlic and the ginger. I cut off the sides of the carrot. I reserve them for use next time. In this time, I only use a little bit carrot. I don't want to use a lot to affect the taste. Only use a little bit for the color. Cut this carrot into small slices. Then cut cucumber in the middle. Then cut them into slices. The slices don't need too thin, like this is okay. If they are too thin, then there will be a lot of water come out when you stir fry. Then we cut ginger into thin slices. Then cut them into tiny threads. Cut garlic cloves into thin slices. Next, we cut this pork tenderloin. Check the green. Cut in the middle. Then cut the meat across the green into thin slices. In this way, when we do stir fry, the meat will be softer and tender. We only use a little bit meat to get taste of the meat. We don't need a lot of meat. Next, in the small bowl, add in 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of potato starch or cornstarch. Add in water. Stir a little bit, set it aside. Next, I prepared 2 cups of boiling water in the small pot. Add in a tablespoon of cooking wine. Add in salt. Then we add in the shrimps. Stir. Make them submerge into the boiling water. Only 30 seconds, then take them out. Next, heat the wok over high heat. When it is hot, add in oil, then add in the pork slices. Stir fry the pork slices until all the meat change color to white and nice smell comes out. Totally about 1 to 2 minutes. Then we add in ground Sichuan pepper. Add in ginger threads. Stir a little bit. Then add in garlic slices. Stir a little bit. Add in carrot slices. Stir a little bit. Then we add in shrimp. This time we need stir fry about half a minute based on the size of the shrimp. Our size is a small shrimp, so half minute is okay. Then we add in cucumber slices. Stir fry a little bit. Then we add in salt. Add in oyster sauce. Stir a little bit. Then we add in soya sauce. Stir, stir to mix everything well. Then we stir well the liquid potato starch and drop it into the wok. Stir, stir fry and mix everything well. It's about 10 seconds. Then everything well done, we turn off the heat and transfer it into a plate. Isn't it looks beautiful? Yes, it's not only beautiful, it is very tasty. My friend, thanks so much for your watching. Now you know, cucumber is not only to make good salad, but it is also to make good stir-fry. I wish you could try this simple, delicious, and nutritious stir-fry, and let me know if you like it. Now, let me try first. It tastes so wonderful. It is as wonderful as it's looking. My friends, thanks again for your support. You take care and keep good. See you next time.
Wow, really, really delicious.